Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to tell you how I made this door out of this sign. Previously, last week, I posted how I made this deer head carving and embedded it on a pine board. This is the door that I'm going to attach the deer head carving to. There's some funky stuff going on down there at the bottom, so I'm not sure how I'm going to deal with that. We'll decide. I'm going to measure it right now. So it's about 30 inches and a quarter, maybe an eighth, and a little less than 80 inches high. So I made a little drawing here that indicates the outside dimensions of the existing door. And it's 79 7/8, about 80 inches by about 30 inches and 3/16 wide. And then I measured the deer carving, which is 19 5/8 by 46 and about 47. Then I subtracted this and I ended up with 33 at the top and the bottom. That's if I center this, and at the edges 5.5 and 5.5. So I'm going to take apart the existing door and see what I can do with it. I really don't think I want to keep that red stuff on there. Anyway, that's what I'm going to do, and this is a good way to start out so I have an idea. Of course, this is centered. I may not do that. We'll see. So this door, the original door, was pretty rotten. I had to replace this. I put cedar here, so I know that won't rot. This wasn't rotten. I replaced this board up here, and now I put the carving in the middle, and I'm adding little pieces of cedar like this, and I'm putting these on the edges and then cutting it off, and yeah. Okay, so I'm going to take this long board and center it and put it in the middle, and then put these on either side. Well, I'll get a longer one than that, so it'll be balanced. I'll do the same thing at the top. There it is installed. We got to do a little bit of work because it's not fitting right, but at least it's too big. Better to be too big than too small. So on this property there was these vines all over the place, and they have these wild curves, and I thought about making a vine handle. But I found these other ones that are black and kind of antique-y looking, so I went with that instead. But this vine idea for arches and handles and other things like that, in fact, I used it in the past on another screen door that I made, but they turn out really cool, and they're just, I don't know, I like them, but I'll use it for something else.